Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you a really nice two-door Jeep Wrangler. Got the alloy wheels, good tread on the tires, Michelin tires, so got really nice tires, good quality. Not a lot of issues anywhere on this. Good looking color, definitely you'll be able to find it in the parking lot. Power windows, locks, cruise, tilt. It is an automatic and only 52,291 for mileage. Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, heated seats. So equipped very nicely. Couple small little scratches right there. Got the spare. Yeah, hardly a scratch on it. A couple, 3 scratches, and that's it. And if you do stop by at the lot, you just scan that, and that'll give you all the information that we have from our inspection to our warranty, which this one has a 7-year, 112,000 mile warranty from when it went into production. So the warranty is going to probably run out in 28 or 29. But very nice Jeep, comes with warranty, been serviced, been through our shop, ready to go. 605-692-7010. And we're gonna hop in it and we'll just drive up. Push button start with 2 keys. Shows you obviously a 22, 50,000 miles should run and drive, but we'll just take for a little drive around the parking lot. Like I said, cool Jeep and a good looking one. If you're looking for a 2-door, there's not many of them around. Again, 605-692-7010.